Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the EARN network token. Ticker symbol is EARN. Now this token, it was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 1st on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the EARN network token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the EARN network is a community-driven marketplace providing no-code solutions, and their EARN token is being listed December 1st, 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search EARN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the EARN Network's webpage is earn.network, real easy to find. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at It's EARN Network on Twitter. They have a Telegram at EARN Network News, and they have a full white paper that you can find on their webpage as well, whitepaper.earn.network/EN if you want to find the English version. Now, this is a very well-established project. Their Telegram, 95,700 followers on the Telegram. That's a lot of subscribers. But this new token here, it says only 20 holders so far. So this is hot off the press. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 10 billion EARN tokens. Now, their Twitter also doing very well, 51,000 Twitter followers. And it says the end game DApp for all crypto investments. Their public sale, it says, is just starting right now. They have a link on their webpage, earn.network/public-sale. You could check that out as well. And yeah, and then their Mexc Global listing starting December 1st here. So on their webpage, you can find links to it, tons and tons of socials, all sorts of things. There's a couple different Telegrams, like a chat and a news one, a Reddit, CoinMarketCap link, Discord, LinkedIn, Medium articles, Twitter, YouTube channel, you name it. They have so much links on here. Zeely. They have information about referral programs, partner with us, terms of service, news, mission, support, features, EARN token, DeFi staking overview. So you'll be able to stake this token to earn more tokens as well. So it says, since late 2018, our mission has been to empower everyone with easy-to-use and transparent investment opportunities that aid in steering towards financial freedom. Our aim is to make investment opportunities accessible to everyone, regardless of their background and economic status. We're committed to democratizing these services by providing affordable, convenient, and secure products that enable individuals and businesses to take full control of their financial opportunities. The current centralized TradeFi and traditional investment platforms fail to harness the immense value that arises from DeFi ecosystem and other emerging opportunities. This limitation hampers the ability to capture billions of dollars in potential value, thereby depriving investors of lucrative returns and impeding the growth of decentralized finance. Consequently, there has been a pressing need to develop innovative solutions that bridge the gap between traditional investment models and the expansive possibilities offered by the DeFi ecosystem, enabling investors to fully capitalize on the emerging value and fostering a more inclusive and dynamic financial landscape. At the core of our platform lies the no-code, audited, and secure solutions that will allow anyone to deploy their own investment product. For anyone that already has a yield earning solution, our SDK would come in handy to integrate to the platform by having both a yield origination and an aggregation solution. We can provide the most comprehensive array of investment products where everyone could find their favorite investments, including DeFi, staking, RWA, lending, SocialFi, AI, tokenized investments, or any emerging ones that will come in the future. With the advent of blockchain technology, a fairer and more transparent ecosystem is waiting. We want to be an invincible force that demonstrates the positive values of Web3 investments. By connecting global communities together, we aim to help millions to generate billions of economic output, and as a result, everyone will have a chance to improve their financial well-being and shape the future for themselves and their families. So they have a huge section on their paper here, if you want to check that out, for stakers, if you want to learn how to stake on the project. They have the key features, the staking process. For projects, benefits for projects, staking implementation, and documentation on that. They also have a whole section about future development. So in the future, they want to introduce flash pools. They have community contributed rewards. NFT staking system, so you'll be able to stake tokens and then eventually NFTs as well. They have a section about restaking for delegators, for validators, and future developments on that. So they also offer lending for lenders, for borrowers, future developments on that. They have a section about the token, the earn token. So the earn token, there's going to be buybacks, there's going to be a staking pool, there's going to be a treasury, incentives, payments in the ecosystem, higher yield when claiming interest in earn tokens, promotional spots bidding. And it says earn will have no inflation mechanism. And they also have token allocation. So 12.5% of the tokens go to the treasury, 6% goes to the reserve, 4% goes to the ecosystem, 8% liquidity, 11% marketing, 4% advisors, 15% team, 4.6% public sale, 2.5% private sale, and 18% seed sale. So they have frequently asked questions. If you have any concerns, you can check that out as well. Like I mentioned, this token's on the Ethereum blockchain. Hardly any holders yet if you check out their Etherscan. And it's getting this brand new listing December 1st at 10 o'clock UTC time. So go check out this token on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.